I'm gonna make your face look as attractive as possible with 7 tricks you've probably never heard of. Starting with number 1. I'm gonna call it the ice trick. Super simple. It's cheap too. Go to your fridge, grab an ice. Every night after a long day, just rub an ice for about 10 minutes around your face. See, your face not only retains a lot of water, but ends up getting almost swollen. What you're doing here is compressing your skin and bringing down the swelling and the puffiness in the face and in the skin that rejuvenates it. It promotes collagen production, and since it makes it all tighter, your skin looks better, and overall your face will look more defined. 2, the salt trick. The salt trick is easy. The salt trick is a disappearing act. In other words, you're gonna grab the sodium in your life and make it disappear. See, sodium, while it's great for electrolytes in certain aspects, but overall, you're probably over-consuming the amount of sodium you need. Most of you, because you're eating your junk food, your french fries, your burgers, etc., your chips, these are packed with sodium, your candies. So what's happening is that there's high levels of salt in your body, and sodium is great at retaining water. Remember what I said, right? Sodium is good for electrolytes, which you'll need if you're an athlete. But if you're over-consuming it, you're going to overly retain water on your body, and overall, you're going to look more bloated. Cutting out sodium will dispel some of that water that's stuck in your body, making your body look more compressed, your body look more shredded, and overall, your face look more defined. 3, the new skin trick. This one's interesting. Most of you don't know you have new layers of skin. And I've talked about this before, right? So I don't know if you understand this, but your dead skin, so your skin, your topical layer, it over time, it's almost like it sheds. And it ends up being dead skin. This is why you have to exfoliate to remove that so it doesn't clog pores. But you can expedite this process and be a little bit more effective. There's this tool that's called the PMD tool. It's a sponsor for today. Basically, it's your personal microderm abrasion tool. This is a process that you can do at a dermatologist's office. So you would schedule your appointment with a dermatologist, and they would do it professionally, but it's expensive. You'll spend $200, $300, $400 every single session. This PMD tool, it's made for men. You can buy it online, and now you have it at your house, and they tell you when to use it, right? You can use it once a month or whatever the rate that's appropriate for you. The great part is that with this PMD tool, because it comes with different heads, you can practice this microdermabrasion tactic where you're basically scrubbing away a thin topical layer of your skin, and you're gonna feel it. The first time you do it, your skin's gonna feel a little irritated, a little red, because you basically remove the topical layer. And what you're doing is you're promoting your skin's cellular regeneration to not only promote collagen, but promote new skin to appear to the top. What this does, removes imperfections. It removes wrinkles. It removes texture and unevenness. And over time, the more you use it, the better and more pristine your skin's gonna look. You're basically creating new skin or forcing your face to create new skin. It's one of the most powerful tactics you can do. Boys, if you want this super power tool in your bathroom, I would go check it out right now. There's gonna be a link down below. Like I said, it's ultra sexy as you're seeing right now. It's wireless, which is dope. And the cool part is, it looks like it's made for men, right? So it's gonna look sick in your bathroom. It has that matte black design. And more importantly, it's gonna make your face look better. If you guys want to check it out, there's a limited time offer right now. Link down below. If I were you, I would pick it up because I'm promising you, you want to enter the new year looking as good and as sexy as possible. This tool is going to do it for you. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. 4, the citrus trick. Now, originally, I would have told you to just grab like an orange peel and do this. And while it is effective, the most effective thing you can do is buy a vitamin C serum. See, vitamin C is a powerful ingredient that not only is it a natural antioxidant that will protect your skin from damaging free radicals, it's also great for skin color balancing. See, a lot of times, this happens more so with like people with darker skin complexion like myself. If you have darker skin complexion, it's very easy for your melanin to overproduce in certain areas of your skin. And what ends up happening is that you end up having uneven color, lighter in one area, darker in one area. With vitamin C, you help suppress the overproduction of melanin, so you have one solid, balanced color on your face, which overall makes you look better. Number 5, the alignment trick. Look how ugly or distorted your face or side profile looks when you're misaligned. You have to understand that your head is supposed to be sitting right at the top of your spine. This makes you look taller, more dominant, stronger, but more importantly, it shows off your jawline. Your face overall looks more attractive. Most of you, though, have that nerd neck, right? Like that forward techie neck from being on your computer, being on your phone, and you'll know you have it if you go up to a wall, put your shoulder blades on the wall, and then put your head on the wall. That's your proper aligned posture. And I guarantee you that when you do it, you're gonna feel so much tension on your back and on your neck because your muscles aren't used to that. So that lets you know you have to work it out. You have to do more wall exercises like this to force that position so you can have that natural alignment. Number 6, this one's good. This is a good trick. This one I call it the get off your ass and go to the gym. Like, I'm sorry, bro. I'm not going to be giving you easy ones, right? Everything I've given you are easy tosses, right, for you to just hit a home run. This one you're going to have to do yourself, right? This is going to be a 90-mile-per-hour pitch. It ain't going to be easy. I'm not telling you it's going to be simple. I'm not telling you you're going to like to do it, but you're going to get your ass up. You're going to go to the gym. Do it at least 3 to 4 times a week. 3 to 4 times a week. Yo, start simple and work your way up when it comes to intensity. But going to the gym is the most powerful thing you can do to reduce your body fat. At the end of the day, the best thing you can do to look better is not be fat. When you're overweight and you have so much fat on your body, it's gonna come to your face. So your cheeks are gonna blow up, your neck's gonna blow up, you're gonna lose definition, which of course is gonna make your face look worse. So if you wanna look as good as possible, go to the gym, cut down body fat. I promise you, your jawline's gonna look sick. Number 7, the hairline trick. Look, nobody's face is balanced. Like, if you really analyze my face, like, I have asymmetries up the butt. You can fake a symmetrical face by getting a lineup. This is why I love going to the barber. On top of making your haircut look crispy, what he's a professional at is lining up your hair. Lining up your hair and your beard is powerful. This is why when you see him lining up your beard, he's looking at you, making sure it's balanced, because he's making sure it's balanced for your face. That way, when people see you, your face looks symmetrical, even though it's not. You're just creating an illusion by aligning your hair. So going to your barber, paying $10 for a quick line up and taper, probably best investment you could do.